Good morning. I was in Buckeye this morning, so I figured I would pop out here and actually video this property for you in Mattamy Homes. The specific home that you had inquired on is a corner lot, and it is this home. We have yet to talk, so I'm going to use this as our intro, and don't shoot the messenger with us. So the advertised price that Mattamy Homes has online at the $350, that advertised price is basically a cash price, which means you can buy it at $350 and you can do a VA loan for the purchase, and you can use Veterans United for that purchase to do the loan. But they will not give you any incentives at that price. If you wanted the traditional builder incentives, then the purchase price would be $384. So approximately $35,000 higher in price. Now, one of the incentives that they're offering is they're basically giving you 11% of the price towards your closing costs and interest rate buy down. So if you closed on the house in November or December, you theoretically could have a fixed interest rate of somewhere between 3.75% and 4.25%, and also have your closing costs covered. But nothing is ever free. For that, you would need a purchase price of the $384. This is adorable. They even have little hooks and a USB and a C. So the earnest money is $5,000 at this builder. I'm pretty positive that we can get that lowered to $2,000 or $2,500 with a little bit of negotiations. With the cash price of $350, I doubt they do any other reductions. I'm pretty positive that we can also get them to include the fridge, washer, and dryer. Right now, fridge, washer, and dryer are separate components and not automatically included. And the builder will be looking for a close date within 2025. So we would need to close no later than the end of December. Let me know what questions you have and how else I can help. There are a lot of other different builders and programs that the builders offer. I'd love to find out what exactly you're looking for and get you some additional data.